I guess in this video I'm going to discuss about the merge statement in Oracle database. So at here I'm using Toad for Oracle and currently working on Scott schema. So about the merge statement, so we can use merge statement to perform insert, update or delete operation in the table. So first I'm going to show you the table. So first is SRC. So this is the record 1472 and in TCT the record 1742. So records inside SRC and TCT are same here. So add here, this is all query I already written to save sometimes. So add here or C merge. So I'm using add here merge command into TCT. So TCT is the table name. So I created the alias of a table TCT. And here SRC is the alias of, so S is the alias of SRC. Now here after t.id, so that I did the condition on id of t and s. So t for TCT and s for SRC. So add here. So this all id and name. So when the id is equal, so add here when the id when match, the value of id is match, and there is some little bit or modification on the source column, then that will do update operation. So suppose id not match, so add here suppose if you enter some different id on the source, so that will do add here insert. So since in the both table records are same, so here first I'm going to insert some records. So let's see the records add here in source 1473, and here going to insert the new record 3, and here giving the name Adam. Now here after, so if you execute this query, this will insert into SRC. One row inserted. See the record here. So SRC one row inserted with the name ID 3 and name Adam. Now in TCT here, so there is no any 3 and Adam. Now if you execute this query, so add here first here merge into TCT. So TCT is the alias of TCT, S is the alias of SRC. So add here that check. So in SRC this record. So in TCT here this all records are the same 1472. So it's all are same. But add here T. So this value add here in s.id 3 not equal, so not match in the target. So add here when that match, then that to here update of this operation. So when that not match, so it's a not match, so that comes to this point. So when not match, then insert. So add here s.id, the value is 3 and s.name, the value is Adam. So id that go to t.id and s.name value that go to add here t.name. So Adam here insert. Now let's execute this query. So the idea 5 row merge. Now go to the target table. So inside TCT, see a new record inserted here ID 3 and name Adam. So this is the way to insert the record here. Now the next is, this is the part of insert. Hereafter let's see about update. So in source I am going to do some modification. So add here, oh this is the source here, this all value. So source and target values are same. See right here the values all are same. Now hereafter I am going to do modification on the source. So here update SRC name, set name Smith. So here when the add here when where id equal to 1, so add here I'm going to do some modification going into tiger. So update SRC. So suppose if someone update the source table record, so add here escort to tiger. So right here, let's execute this query. So one row affected. Now see the record. So add here one tiger. But in and here add here in TCT, the ID is so one escort. So when that font, so add here on. So one add here ID. So this value one equal to one. So this is equal. So add here win match and here win match. So that check is dot name. So s dot name add here in src. So here ID value is the same for all. So 1, 4, 7, 3, 2, all are same. But at here, so all are same. So here 4, 7, 2, 3, it's not do any modification. But at here, when that font 1 equal to 1, it's okay when match then. So s dot name. So in source, the name is tiger. So this value tiger go to t dot name table. So t is the alias of tct. Now if you execute this query, so let's see what happened. So 5 row merge. Now here after check the record inside TCT. So see at here name updated. So name updated here. So this is the update operation. Now here after the next operation is we can do delete operation. So let's check the record inside SRC. So SRC. So I'm going to do some delete operation here. So let's write delete and here where delete where id. So when the id is 7, so I'm going to delete that 7 smith values. So we need to use delete operation, delete where id equal to 7. Now if you execute this query, so see at here 5 row merge. Now check the record inside src. So it's a 7 already there. Now check that. So see at here in the target table or records 7 deleted. So at here where id equal to 7 then that delete. So from the target table, so tct the record deleted. Now if you execute let's remove this part. Now if you execute this query, so check the record in src. So src 7 and smith is there. Now here after in tct 7 smith you cannot find. Now if you execute this query, so at your on, so when match, so at your id not match, so that comes to this point when the value id 7 not match, so that comes to this point. So at your that will do the insert operation. So in target table, so this will do insert here. So 5 row merge. Now you can check the record inside tct. So see at here the name here 7 and smith it's inserted. So this is the insert operation here. And if you don't want some id value, so you can use delete where id equal to 7. So inside delete you can use add a greater than, less than operator here. So these the things about insert, update and delete in Oracle database. So you can delete the records, insert the records, update the records inside any tables by using merge statement in Oracle database. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.